Guys, welcome back to my episode. This is episode 9. So, guys, I want to tell you guys in the episode something. But right now, I wanted to just build a house for the first time. We don't have house in the house. I don't have my own house, it's only the religious houses. So, I'm thinking I should build it on here next to the sugarcane farm. I have a huge sugarcane farm. So, hold on this. No, I'm not blind. So, guys, we need 100 subscribers. So that's what we're trying to do right now. So yeah, please guys, consider try to subscribe to my video. You already subscribed, and please like. So mainly what we need to do now, I don't think it's good to go money. No, I don't feel positive that this is a great idea. So the mainly thing I need to do is when I build the house for this. So we need stone and wood. I need some sticks so I can craft stick. I need actually sticks so I can sell and buy a what is it called again? Iron X. So yeah, we need the Iron X to get all the materials. And then we need the glasses also. There's only 2 villages here. I wonder what can I do? What do I say? So nothing here. I need to go on for some sand. So that's what I'm about to do. Sand we need. Sand. Go find some sand. I'm a person who guys will take a long time to mine sand. And I might need some food by now. And there's so much kids here. I don't think I should have made so much villages. Okay, I can. One piece. I killed 2 cows. Oh, there's other pieces. Hey guys, about it. Whatever they do. So we need to mine 3 sticks of sand. 3 sticks, but I want to mine off 4 sticks. This is a big day. And I need some food. So where's the best? Oh wait, I know please. I have extra bed so I can. So all I need to do is, I think I need to make this. We need all we need is wood, stone, actually cobblestone, and then we need glass. But we only like 60. This house is gonna be big, but I think it's gonna be I'm gonna kill these cows just for food. So yep, okay, now I can mine all the sand. There's so much sand here, guys. So and I need to clean up my inventory. What don't I need? These, of course, I'll put it down. What else don't I need? Oh, down this hopper in a bit. So that's 1, 2, 3. I need to let something else go. I need to let us whatever type of stone is. So let's mine some sand, guys. So I'm gonna pause the video in a bit. I don't think I should pause because I think you guys would think I'm lying and not getting so much sand at all. So this is not a girl. So guys, I want to talk to you guys. About getting more subscribers. I'm gonna bring up a friend. I'm gonna bring up a friend's name. His name is Zachary. Yes, I think more subscribers than me. But he told me I should tell you guys. Well, he's not. I'm telling you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys. And the people that watch the PvP video about me and Deadly Camp, and please support me. Please, I'm just saying he doesn't have so much subscribers. He is only 4. I'll show him how much subscribers does he have. Let me throw the stuff away. Mine was sand. So I'm gonna pause the video now and get a lot of sand. Get all stuff. So now I need like now I need like just more sand there. And yeah, 39 cent. So I must look now and get a lot of sand again. I think I need to make more furnaces at home and make the glass. And I want to let those 2 noobs breed. You know, like make babies. You guys know what's good. Oh, there's more turtles here. I can't believe turtles can spawn on a... I guess they only spawn next to, like, on the beach. They only spawn on the beach. So guys, I want to ask you, if I can be the Ender Dragon. I will never be the Ender Dragon. I never defeated the Ender Dragon. Last time I tried to speedrun, I done so bad. I died in the nether. That's where the most part is, when I always go to the nether. I die there. That's the only place where I die. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is the last one. I want to go bone meal my sugarcane. I want to go bone meal with my sugarcane. The others won't go. So how much sand space? 6 sticks I think will be enough. So guys, I'm also take a question. How much things do I have? 4. So I'm gonna ask you a question. Who is your favorite cartoon? Who's your favorite cartoon? From Cartoon Network. I don't know how to say it. I can't talk right either, so I'm a mind all the same now. So guys, that's over now. I want to kill you. Oh no, you can't. Don't need a compost. You'll leave it there. So I'm gonna go now back to the village. I need to craft 3 more furnaces. Then I need to get lava buckets. Then I need to melt all the sand down. Then I need to then I'll get grass. Then I need to turn the grass into grass paints. Then I need to trade with the villagers. Yeah, actually with the I forgot what is it called. The compounder. I forgot what they call the villagers. So now I need to do more furnaces. Okay, now I need to put sand in each one. So now I need to go get lava. What? Then I will do what? Is it okay if I just... Yeah, you'll be fine. I'm gonna come fetch it back. I'm gonna come fetch my water back. Not drowning in dust. So now I need to use like 6 lava buckets. But I'm gonna do this once at a time. So that means I need to go always to the mountain. About the nether portal. So guys, I took about the nether portal the other episode because my phone was too full. So yeah, I might need to go to the portal after. So I'm gonna put all the and I need to so guys first I'm gonna get all that sand. I'm gonna get all the sand start burning, and then I'm going to make the nail portal somewhere like here. So yeah. Just point the lava. Yeah, it will be. I almost used all the lava last time I needed the lava. So yeah. Some of what's stuck. I swear I saw some and some XP. And I'm on level 40 guys. If I get 100 levels, you guys need to like my video 10 times. I wish there was a faster way to get all this lava. So yeah. Okay, let's sleep. And I can't sleep. Yet, it's not yet. I can still go fetch one more lava bucket. Then I can tomorrow then I can melt then I can get the other two. So yeah. Okay, now I need to run. I might die. I wanna die, guys. It's day 54. This is my longest day. I survived last time, day 52, so yeah. Yes, I can sleep. Okay. Guys, I'm almost done with my nether portal. Oh guys, I have something. A nether portal. It's not a nether portal, we didn't like to get in it, but now we need to focus on building my house. So yeah, we need like 2 stacks of stone, and then we need a stack of. So guys, all we need is flint and steel, and then we can be done. I must just put this here, I don't want it. So what? So we need just one piece of flint. Yes, my server. So where is the flint? Oh, there's some drivel. Oh no, I see a trident. So what I may need to do is split up. And I need to get one piece of flint. Yes, already got one. I got 3 pieces. Let's do this. We're about to go to the nether. Oh guys, we're not going to the nether so early. We still need full diamond. There's Mojang says you need full diamond before going to the nether. Speedrunners can do it. Yep. Oh, nether portal. Let's dance. Hey. Now. So all I need to do now, guys, I'm gonna make a video now of me and my friend Deadly Camp. His name is Deadly Camp. If you guys remember him, I was the one who fought him. So he's online now. We have a nether portal to. We can't go now. So I can't build my house now. I don't have all the materials. I will promise you guys, I will have my full house and we will have full diamond armor. That's my promise. So I wanted to show you guys something. I'm gonna look out. So guys, I'm on 37 subscribers. Please guys, I made lots of videos. You can watch this video what I made here. We PvP on my server. So what's that? Where with the PvP, guys? So me and Deadly Camp is gonna make another video. So I also wanted to show you that my Deadly Camp. This is Deadly Camp. He's doing bad on subscribers. He only has 3 subscribers, guys. Can you just do me a favor and subscribe to me? He's my best friend. And I don't want to just have more subscribers than him. I want us to have the same subscribers together as most of you people can have. And also, yes, a lot of videos. This is him right here. And I subscribe to him. So he also subscribed to me. So guys, this is my friend right here. He PvP'd me also. Here am I. This was me. So guys, that is me. That was me in the past. So yeah, that was me PvPing him. So guys, I'm just, please guys, can you just like and subscribe to this video? That's all what I'm asking for.